Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all having a good day. Welcome to the daily current affairs. Today 3rd of June. Today is World Bicycle Day. The theme is uniqueness, versatility and longevity of the bicycle as a simple, sustainable, economical and reliable mode of transportation. This day is observed to draw people's attention towards the importance and benefits of riding a bicycle. Next one. Lieutenant General Pradeep Chandran Nair takes charge as Director General of Assam Rifles. He is the 21st Director General of Assam Rifles. Next one. Isaac Herzog, elected as the Israel's 11th president. Former Israel president is Reuven Rivlin, and the capital of Israel is Jerusalem, and currency is shekel, Israeli shekel. Next one. Union Cabinet approves Memorandum of Understanding between India and Argentina Republic on cooperation in the field of mineral resources. It is an MOU between Ministry of Mines in India and Secretary of Mining Policy of the Ministry of Production Development of Argentina. Ministry of Mines is under the control of Prahalad Joshi. The constituency of Prahalad Joshi is Parliamentary Affairs. Next one. The cabinet approves memorandum of cooperation between India and Japan in the field of sustainable urban development. This MOC is in between Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and of India and Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism Ministry of Japan. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs is under the control of Hardeep Singh Puri. Next one. Union Cabinet approves signing of agreement on cooperation in mass media among Shanghai Cooperation Organization member states. Here, mass media means the communication between the people. The examples are the mass media comes under newspaper, magazines, internet, advertisement. These are all the mass media. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization headquartered at Beijing, China, and the Secretary General is Vladimir Norov. Next one. S.K. Majumdar, appointed as the Chief Financial Officer of Canara Bank. The CEO of Canara Bank is Lingam Venkat Prabhakar, and the headquarters is Bangalore, Karnataka. Next one. IPPB, Indian Post Payment Bank, ties with Mahindra Rural Housing Finance for cash management solution. CEO of IPPB is J. Venkatram. It is first the payment IPPB is the first payment bank, and now it is turned into a small finance bank where it can give loans to the customers. To convert the payment bank into the small finance bank, it should be run about 5 years as a payment bank successfully, and it should need a minimum capital of 200 crores. Next one. New Zealand announced it was signed an agreement with NASA. It is the 11th signatory to the Artemis Accord. The Artemis mission by NASA is to send the astronauts to the moon by 2024. New Zealand capital is Wellington and the Prime Minister is Jacinda Ardern. NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Next one. World Health Organization clears China's Sinovac vaccine for emergency use. It is the second Chinese vaccine produced, and the first one is Sinopharm. The head of the World Health Organization is Tedros Adhanom, and the headquarters is at Geneva, Switzerland. Next one, TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, target to achieve net zero emission by 2030, and its target to achieve 70% of net zero emission by 2025. And the CEO of TCS is Rajesh Gopinathan. And another one, Amazon told it will achieve the net carbon zero carbon emission by 2040. Next one, Niti Aayog released Sustainable Development Goal Index (SDG) index, in which Kerala topped the index, and the worst performance is by Bihar state. Niti Aayog is a think tank which is headed by the Prime Minister of India. Next one, Wipro touched the 3 trillion rupees in market capitalization for the first time, and it became the third Indian IT firm to achieve it. The first and the second IT firms to touch the 3 trillion rupees market capitalization is by TCS and Infosys. Next one, Maharashtra announces price of 50 lakh rupees to corona free villages. I and the second prize is for 25 lakhs and the third one is for 15 lakhs. Maharashtra CM is Uddhav Thackeray. Next one, the clinical trials of indigenous Covaxin has begun at Patna AIMS. These trials is done on the children by the age 2 to 18 years. This was come after the Drug Control General of India granted permission of Covaxin on children. Till now, we see the vaccines are given only to the people who are above the age of 18 years. Now there is the trials going on between the age of 2 to 18 years. These trials are going in AIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences of Patna. The Covaxin is developed by the company Bharat Biotech Company. Head of the DCGI is Venugopal G. Somani, and the headquarters is at New Delhi. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay strong.